Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you all are doing well. Today I've got this quick and easy Watermarble nail art to share with you. I love how these colors reacted with one another and it gave it this really cool effect. To find out how I completed this look, keep on watching. As usual, to get things started, I'll be going in with two thin coats of Sinful colors Snowy White as my base color, which usually helps to make the Watermarble nail art pop. To help speed up the drying process and to make my base ready for the Watermarble nail art, I'll be going in with one thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat. Next, I'll be protecting my cuticles and making my cleanup easier by going in and applying some liquid latex by Bliss called Simply Peel. I've seen people also use tape, but if you don't have this type of latex barrier, you can use a different one as well. One of the two colors that I'll be using for this Watermarble nail art is Essie Escapades. I'll also be using KBShimmer's Teal It to My Heart, which is such a beautiful, gorgeous teal color. And I'll be using my What's Up Nails Pure Color No. 7 Watermarble tool along with my TwinkledT GlamorMat, and I'll be using the cup portion of the mat that can be used for watermarbling. Next, I'll be dropping in beads of polish and I'll be alternating the colors. I do find that you have to try and move as quickly as possible as the polish does tend to dry quickly in the water. Next, I'll be going in with my Watermarble tool and I'll be quickly making any design that I feel. There's no real pattern that you have to make. You can choose any type of design that you want. The trick is not to pull from the most outer ring because that is the one that tends to dry first. Now that I've got my cuticles all cleaned up, I'll be going in and applying one last thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat to help seal in my nail art. And that's it for this week's Watermarble Wednesday. I really love how these colors played together and how the final look came about. If you do have any questions and or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked, or even a thumbs down if you did not like it. As always, please subscribe to my channel and stay glamorous.